When you search for the best vinyl plank flooring, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. Occam Nexus Self-Adhesive Vinyl Tiles. Let's kick things off with the Occam Nexus Self-Adhesive Vinyl Floor Tiles. Priced at just $20.27, these tiles caught my eye because of their ease of installation and affordability. If you want a budget-friendly way to refresh your home, this is worth a serious look. These tiles are peel and stick, which means you can transform any room in your house without the mess of glue or adhesives. Each tile measures 12 inches by 12 inches, covering 20 square feet with a total of 20 tiles per box. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for a no-fuss installation in your kitchen, dining room, or even bathroom, these tiles make it super easy to do it yourself and avoid the hassle of hiring a contractor. Now, some people did mention that while the style is quite nice, the durability isn't top-notch for high-traffic areas. Here's the thing, though. If you're using these in something like a bedroom or office, you'll probably find they hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and want an easy DIY solution. Skip this one if you have pets or kids that are really hard on flooring, but for the price, it is a solid choice. Now, if the Occam tiles durability concerns you, the next option really UPS the ante in that department. Product number 2. Art 3D Rosewood Peel and Stick Planks. Next up, we have the Art 3D Peel and Stick Floor Tiles in Rosewood, priced at $79.99. What stood out to me was the authentic wood look and the fact that these tiles are 100% waterproof. If you're aiming for a stylish, long-lasting floor, this one deserves your attention. These tiles provide a rigid surface that's not just beautiful, but also incredibly functional. Each plank measures 6 inches by 36 inches, covering 54 square feet with 36 pieces in a pack. The waterproof nature means you can install them in moisture-prone areas like kitchens and bathrooms without worry. Here's why this matters for you. If you've ever dealt with water damage or stains on traditional flooring, this product can save you from that headache. However, some users reported that the adhesive can weaken over time, especially in extreme temperatures. Now, for most people, this isn't a deal breaker as long as you prepare the surface properly beforehand. This is perfect for you if you appreciate aesthetics and functionality. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget product because it's a bit pricier, but the quality is definitely there. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for your durability needs. Product number 3. Art 3D Deep Gray Vinyl Plank Flooring. Now let's check out the Art 3D Peel and Stick Vinyl Plank in Deep Gray, also at $79.99. I was really impressed with its rigid surface and the fact that it's both waterproof and fireproof. If you need something that stands up to wear and tear, this is worth considering. Like the Rosewood option, this product is designed for easy installation with its peel and stick feature. Each plank is the same 6 inches by 36 inches, covering 54 square feet. The deep gray color offers a modern touch that can suit many decor styles. Here's why this matters. It's perfect for high-traffic areas or homes with pets, as it's resistant to scratches and wear. Some reviews pointed out that the deep gray can show dust and dirt more easily than lighter colors. But here's the thing. If you have a cleaning routine in place, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This product is ideal for busy households needing durable flooring. Skip this if you prefer lighter colors or have a very specific aesthetic in mind, but it's a great value for its performance. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more affordable without sacrificing quality, let's talk about the next one. Product number 4. Art 3D Brown Stone Peel and Stick Tiles. Coming in next is the Art 3D Peel and Stick Vinyl Plank in Brown Stone, priced at $69.99. This caught my attention due to its versatility and ease of installation. If you want something stylish yet practical, this should be on your radar. These tiles are similar to the previous Art 3D options, with a rigid surface that's waterproof and scratch-resistant. Each pack covers 54 square feet with 36 planks, making it a great option for larger spaces. The brownstone design adds a rustic feel while still being modern. Here's why this matters. It can fit seamlessly into any room, from the kitchen to the living room. Still, some users mentioned that the glue may require extra attention during installation to ensure a strong bond. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and follow the instructions carefully, you shouldn't have any issues. This is perfect for you if you love the rustic look and need something easy to install. Skip this if you're in a hurry to lay down your flooring because it might require a bit more care during the setup, but it offers great value. Now, if you're looking for the most budget-friendly option that still delivers quality, let's wrap up with our last product. Product number 5, Art 3D Taupe Ash Peel and Stick Tiles. Finally, we have the Art 3D Peel and Stick Vinyl Floor Tiles in Taupe Ash, priced at $29.70. Honestly, I was surprised at how affordable these tiles are while still offering decent quality. If you're looking to rejuvenate a small space without breaking the bank, this is a fantastic option. Each tile measures 12 inches by 12 inches, and a pack covers 30 square feet. These tiles are self-adhesive, meaning you can install them quickly and easily in any room. Their scratch-proof and fade-resistant properties are essential if you want your flooring to look fresh for years. Here's why this matters for you. If you're renting or just want to try out a new look without a hefty investment, these tiles fit the bill well. However, some reviews highlighted that the thinner tiles may not feel as solid underfoot compared to thicker options. Here's the thing though, if you're using them in a less trafficked area, you probably won't notice the difference. This is perfect for you if you want an easy and affordable way to update your floors. Skip this if you're after a premium feel, but for budget shoppers, it's an excellent choice. So, to sum it all up, we started with the budget-friendly and easy-to-install Occam Nexus tiles, then moved on to Art 3D's stylish rosewood and deep gray options for durability, followed by the rustic brownstone variant, and finally, the cost-effective Taupe Ash tiles. Each one has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider your specific needs. No matter which option you choose, you'll be well on your way to a beautiful new floor.